100 Days of Gratitude, day 46, and I am grateful for going with the flow. Sometimes you plan, you prepare, and then life takes another direction. And life gets so much, easier, better when you're able to pivot, when you're able to be in that moment, let it go, deal with what is, not what you had thought would be, not what you had planned and prepared for, just your ability to go with the flow. And that is what's going on in my day. Not a big deal. In fact, a very kind of easy situation to kind of pivot, deal with, change direction. Hosting an open house today. So at Light Cellar, we'll have, this whole kitchen's gonna be full. We're gonna set up the chairs and welcome everybody in for a bunch of free classes from 11 till the end at 5. You can tune in online, you can come in person if you're in Calgary. We'll have some samples, we'll have a variety of folks presenting on a number of different topics. So it was, my job today was just to host, just to facilitate each of the presentations and keep the flow going and just hang out and have fun. Sounds pretty good, pretty easy. And then this morning got a message from one of the presenters, can't make it. And fortunately, I've got a lot of things I can present. So I'm gonna jump in. Yeah, it does shift things a little bit, but I'm going with the flow. So I'm grateful for that ability. Something that, I always try and keep, present, top of mind, that ability, that practice to hey, no worries, no stress, we got it. Plans are changing, we can go with the flow. And very good skill to have. Practice on those small little events that happen that shift you off course, all the way to those big, large life events. How can you view those things as, it is what it is, There's obviously is what it is, but maybe there's a deeper meaning. Maybe it's steering you in a different direction. And the more we're able to go with the flow versus resisting, complaining, getting worried about, caught up in, it's just it is what it is. I'm going this way now. So today, grateful for the ability to go with the flow.